Team Poker and CasinoWare have partnered to bring the poker sports model to live poker events. The management system provides both individual and poker team finish positions and payouts in the same tournament or ranked overtime. The CasinoWare Team Poker patented system provides a default championship setting and options for seeding protocol, prize pool payouts, and scoring. Once you, as a tournament director, have learned the basics of CasinoWare software, it takes only a few simple inputs to create the poker team structure and run a team poker event for any type poker game. Start by clicking Team Tournament. When you enable the Team Tournament option, you will switch from individual players only to include team management. A dialog will pop up where you can choose between no contact seeding protocol or standard full contact option. The Team Poker no contact rule does not allow teammates to play on the same table with opponents. If you try to move a teammate to the same table with an opponent, you will receive a message that the move cannot happen, as I will show you in the tournament process later. If you choose Standard, you set up your tournament for full contact or the standard random seeding protocol, and teammates are allowed on the same table with opponents. Further, you have the option to move from no contact to full contact at any time during the tournament. You may want to move to full contact at the end of the tournament to conserve tables to create the full contact dynamic. You can use the default Team Poker payout settings for individual and team prize pool splits, or you can create your own. The Team Poker Championship default payout setting is 60% to teams and 40% to individuals. However, you can easily set the payout structure that best fits your needs, from 0 to 100% of the prize pool to teams or individuals. With the CasinoWare system, it's easy to edit the team payout structure that best fits the size of your tournament. The Team Poker Global Point Scoring option awards the prize pool payouts to the top team point scores, as potentially adjusted by a team handicap, as I'll show you later. Therefore, it's possible with global point scoring for the top individual winners of the tournament not to place in the team payout side. The Team Poker Global Point Scoring option is the default point scoring method. Here's how global point scoring works as an example. If there were 100 players in the count, the individual entry-finish positions are counted down, starting at 100th place or last place to first place. The global points are the inverse of the count, or last place receives 1 point, and first place receives 100 points. The team with the highest global points win, and the tiebreaker is the team with the highest individual finish position. The team points can be reweighted, and team handicapping may be used in both global points or carry the flag scoring, as I will discuss. For carry the flag, you just need to disable both the award when finished and the reorder ranking options. When you uncheck both options, the carry the flag scoring option will determine team payouts. With carry the flag structure, only the top player's finish position from each team is used to determine that team's prize pool placement in carry the flag scoring. Both carry the flag and global point scoring options provide the capability of individual and team ranking to any weighted method or time period that the poker room or tournament requires. Teams can handicap themselves in both global point scoring or carry the flag. You select the maximum or minimum number of players that you want to allow. By playing with less than the maximum number of players allowed, teams create a reverse handicap of their skill and luck in the tournament for potential larger payouts per teammate. For example, a sit and go tournament may offer team structures of 3 maximum or 2 minimum, or 2 maximum and 1 minimum number of players per team. Yes, Team Poker's current system allows the individual to play and win. As a team, use Team Poker Handicap. Larger team tournaments might be 4 maximum and 2 minimum, or 5 maximum and 5 minimum. Any team size is possible. Of course, the handicap is not in play if teams are required to be equal. The handicap ratio is created by the max number of players allowed divided by the actual number on the team. The total global team points are multiplied by the handicap ratio, and the highest point scorers win. Again, the tiebreaker is the team with the highest individual finish position. As I said, teams can also handicap themselves in carry the flag option by playing with less than the maximum number of players permitted. Thus, a smaller number of players receive larger split of the team prize pool. Now you have finished creating a team poker tournament. You are ready to publish event, registering teams, assign seating, and printing entry tickets like any other tournament. Also, like any other CasinoWare tournament, you can quickly add tables as needed to accommodate the tournament size. As in any tournament, you can set the buy-in and levels. It's only necessary to register teams in team tournaments. Teams can be created at any time, prior to or at registration. When you register teams for the tournament, you are creating ranking teams that can be used for longer ranking periods. Any group of players can form a ranking team and play in any tournament. Individuals can belong to more than one ranking group at a time. These ranking club groups can have any number of players, and players can move and transfer at their direction. but a club group can register only one ranking team per tournament. The ranking team's player composition can be changed from tournament to tournament and event to event. It's easy to register teams to an event at any time once it's structured and scheduled. You cannot register more than the maximum or less than the minimum number of players per team as required by your established tournament structure. You can easily add or remove individual entries from ranking teams at will as directed by players and teams. During initial seeding, assure no teammates start on the same table. When the tournament starts, the display clock starts countdown, and tournament starts play like any other tournament. As players are eliminated, the individual finish positions are tracked like any tournament and displayed. Further, team scores and positions are calculated real-time and displayed as teammates bust out. Individual entries, global points, and team finish positions are displayed on tournament screens as you direct. Like any tournament, the individual entries bust, finish position, and award are easily tracked and displayed on monitors. As players are moved to consolidate tables during the tournament, the no contact rule is enforced by a pop-up message that does not allow the move. As mentioned, the tournament director can elect to use the no contact, full contact, or a hybrid of the two. The CasinoWare allows you to switch seeding protocol at any time in the tournament. The final tables consolidate to the tournament director's pre-established format. When the handicap is used with global point scoring, the team finish positions and payouts are not fully determined until the tournament is over. At the end of the tournament, the final individual and team finish places are determined, and all prize pool awards and ranking can be made. As previously mentioned, when the award when finished and reorder option is enabled, the Team Poker global point scoring is in effect, and the teams with the highest global point scores win. When award when finished and reorder options are disabled, only the highest individual finish position from each team determines their team's finish position in prize pool award.